back to my channel. This is me, your girl Abigail. So today in this video I have created this amazing beautiful Diwali look, and it's a very simple and easy look that you can create anywhere, anytime, and in a very short time of period. Okay, so if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you really want to create this look, so keep watching this video till the end. So without further ado, let's get started. So here at first I'm applying a toner. It's a cucumber toner, and it's really helped me to minimize my open pores. And now I am here using a gel based moisturizer because I have an extreme oily skin, so that's why I'm using a very gentle and a gel based moisturizer. Now I'm using a very affordable primer which is from Blue Heaven, and make sure that you're applying your primer also on your open pores so that it will cover up your pores, and it will also help you to get a smooth base. Now here I'm using concealer which is from Swiss Beauty, and I guess is in the shade 05 if I'm not wrong. Okay, so here I'm applying on my high points of my face, my nose and eyes, and my eyelids, and a little bit of my upper head. Don't worry, it looks a little bit whitish, but after that it's gonna oxidize on your skin, so don't worry about that. And next I'm gonna use a foundation which is from Fit Me. It's basically a Maybelline Fit Me foundation, so I'm gonna use this all over my face, and I'm applying little bit much more quantity on my dark spots where I had a little bit of acne, but now it has gone, but that spot is remained on my skin, so yeah, I have to apply this on that part. Now I'm filling my eyebrows, and yes, it's really important part of your makeup because when you fill your eyebrows and draw your eyebrows, it looks very beautiful, like literally very beautiful. So I'm just combing up the excess product. I am using a base eyeshadow which is a simple white eyeshadow so that my base will get better. Now here I'm using a single eyeshadow from NY. Well, it's a little bit of glittery eyeshadow, but still I use it for my inner corners. Well, you should always use matte eyeshadows in your outside of your eyelids, but here I'm using a little bit of metallic eyeshadow, but because I didn't had matte one, so that's why. So I'm using the golden glittery eyeshadow from the inner side of my eyelids. Now I'm here using eyeliner which is from Lakme. It's Lakme's instant eyeliner. Now I'm curling my eyelashes for giving a little bit of length, and here I'm using a basic mascara. Well, it's not that good one, but still I have to work with it because my Maybelline one has finished, so I didn't have any option. Okay, so next here I'm gonna use a liner. Well, makeup is totally incomplete without eyeliner, and girls really need it because it's really define your eyes very beautifully. And now I'm just dusting out the excess eyeshadows where all fall off eyeshadows, and I'm just using the excess part all over my face. Now I'm using Maybelline Touch of Spice shade as my blush. Well, I love to use lipstick as my blush. So let's move on to the highlighting part. Well, it's one of my favorite part, and I really love it. So I'm just highlighting high points of my face, like my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead, and I'm also using this on my inner corners, so that my eyes gonna look a little bit bigger. And also I'm using this on eyebrow bone, so that it's gonna look good and beautiful. So I'm lining up my lips with ADS lip liner. and I really love this lip liner so much. It's very pigmented. So now I'm using Rich Ruby, if I'm not wrong, but yes, this lipstick from Maybelline, and I really love this shade. Well, I was thinking to going with a nude shade, but then I decided to use this red one. Well, it's not looking that bad, but still it's good. So I'm using a Blue Heaven nude lipstick so that I can, you know, to make it a little bit more matte, and so that I can decrease the so that I can decrease the vibrant parts. So that's all. So I hope you like this video and like this look and like this tutorial. So don't go anywhere, please. If you're going anywhere, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and keep supporting me on Instagram and as well as on YouTube, and keep stay with my channel, because I'm going to come up with lots of amazing videos. Literally, it's gonna regarding fitness, beauty, fashion, and a lot of things. So don't go anywhere. Before going anywhere, subscribe to my channel. So आज के लिए बाय.